Finally, it's always a good question whether assertions in production code should remain enabled or not. Here's some points to consider. First, failing is better than bad data. If your program fails with an assertion, you know that there's an error. If it simply produces a bad result without actually checking it, then this may have far worse consequences than failing. Second, the more active assertions there are, the easier it is for you to find the defect. Third, defects in the field are hard to track, which means an assertion gives you a chance to find a defect before it goes into the field, in particular in combination with thorough testing. And even in the field, if assertions are still enabled, you still have a far better chance to find defects because, well, you get a failure rather than producing bad data. On the detractor side, so what speaks against assertions being enabled in production code, we have performance, performance, performance. If you do have a large data structure with lots of global checks and leave this enabled, performance will suffer. However, there's a large number of assertions which impact performance only in a marginal way, checking if some result is larger or equal than 0, ranges, like things. These will not impact performance in a measurable way. The answer here is to first leave the assertions on, then measure which assertions actually do impact performance, and possibly do turn these off and leave the others enabled. The second thing is assertions, when they fail, typically cause the program to crash, or at least abort execution immediately. This is not very user-friendly. You should give your users a chance to recover even if an assertion finds that something has gone wrong. But then again, if your program crashes because of a failing assertion, what's the alternative? The alternative is to keep on working with bad data, and bad data can produce arbitrary and even worse results later.